What are we doing, Riso?
We are mounting a shower awning to the Caravan.
Beauty. So we've got the shower awning here.
From Kick-Ass. Essentially...
Limited edition colour apparently, I don't know.
Essentially I've made a bracket.
We've got a nice bracket he's made. Got the drawings and stuff, so if anyone needs anything, let us know. But it's got it powder coated. It looks all professional.
Right, running the show.
Yep.
So because it's about 1.60 meters wide, I've got the centre of the awning, but you can't have it in the centre of the shower or else it would interfere with our little heater, the trauma heater.
Nice.
Just a handy little tip there for you. Don't put it in the centre of this because it'll be covering that and it'll be no good.
So this is the bracket without the awning over it. Explain what you've done there.
It's laser cut and brake pressed aluminium with some gussets.
That's right, the special gussets.
And it's been powder coated. So all I need to do is line. I've got the height I want. There's Sarah, there's me. So it doesn't have to be spot on. This hole's the centre hole. I'm just going to line it up to the centre there. And I reckon about there is perfect.
Beauty.
Just got to drill 20 holes, glue it on, pop rivet it.
Awesome.
Rubbed off. I can't see it because of my glasses.
Yeah, it's about there.
5 and 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Give that a spot. Some sort of adhesive there. I guess it would be a rubber line. Nice. Nice. Corners are years of pop riveting experience. Oh, yeah, drill. Checking everything. Then you repeat this 18 more times. Okay, just going to put that there. Have a look. Not bad. I didn't drill this hole because it was hitting something, so I stopped. And then I assume that there's probably a brace here, so I'm not doing that one as well.
Beautiful.
I do my best and silicon the rest with that one.
Yep.
Pull her off and glue her on, pop rivet her on, let it dry and finish it off tomorrow.
Brand new Caravan. Multiple holes drilled in it. Yay.
Cooking with gas. They're quite serious pop rivets. They're not really for light applications. Right, do you want to get a